Is your heart calling for vocal liberation in nature? My name is Marlia and I'm hosting a 3-day Vocal Alchemy Retreat with Theta Healing at Sidemen, Bali on the weekend of 18 to 20th March 2022, celebrating the March full moon and the equinox, beginning of autumn in the southern hemisphere. It's well known that singing is a stress reliever. It can stimulate the immune response, increase the pain threshold, aid you in attaining personal freedom, and reclaim your truth, help with grief, and develop a sense of belonging and connection to nature and all things natural, connection to oneself, coming closer to a self-love and self-acceptance approach, as well as connection to others around you and your relations. I will be guiding the group through vocal alchemical practices, focusing on all physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects of the frequency of your voice, and how to merge that with the voice of others. You will learn more about diaphragmatic breathing, vocal anatomy, how to use vocal dynamics and flow with improvisation, emotional freedom, and expression in song. For those of you who wish to connect deeper on a spiritual level, the space is open for light languages and singing through astral language. Theta healing is known to heal physical illnesses. It can free you from addictions and habits, help you to be healthier, feel well, and additionally make your spiritual connection deeper, revealing your creative potential. Using the most effective tools for you to arrive in the here and now by our guest teacher Hannah. She will lead us where the magic of life unfolds and true healing and inner change happen. We will arrive at our retreat place in Sidemen, East Mountains of Bali, with a view to majestic Mount Agung on the full moon of March, checking into our single or double rooms and celebrate the full moon with a special sacred sound ceremony. Every day we will enjoy organic, homemade, vegan, vegetarian buffets, connect with pristine nature, enjoy the sunrise and sunset, and practice our singing in a private shala in the jungle. On the last day, we will reconnect to the local river waters, sending our blessings out to our friends and families and sealing it all with a fire ceremony by a local Balinese priestess just before equinox, celebrating Father, Son, and the transition to the next season of the year. You don't need to be a musician to participate, and there is an early bird prize before March 3rd. The first sign-ups are already in, so click on this link to read more and register. Listen to your heart, and if she's calling for vocal liberation and expression through your voice, I will see you there.